Hello, it's Sarah from Allcraft TV, and today I will be showing you how to crochet this adorable striped baby boy hat. I really wanted to get this baby hat out earlier in the week, but it has been quite hot in Brisbane, Queensland for this past week, especially with a high temperature today of 38 degrees Celsius, or I believe it's about 100 Fahrenheit. So I'm just sitting in the aircon getting this tutorial ready for you all, because I usually get quite lethargic in hot weather, which is why I don't really like summer. Anyway, I haven't actually really crocheted baby items before, but one of my lovely subscribers has requested some baby items, so I thought a striped pattern would look cute, especially on a baby hat. Thank you for requesting a baby hat tutorial. I really enjoyed crocheting something quick and easy for a change. This baby hat is for newborns to a 3-month-old. You can find the written pattern on our blog with sizes the newborn to 3-month, 3 to 6 months and 6 to 12 months. So click on the link in the comments below and come and visit our blog. I really hope you enjoyed crocheting this baby boy hat, and if you did, please hit the like button and the subscribe button for our weekly crochet tutorials. And with that, let's get crocheting. I'll be using 4-ply or baby soft yarn, but I thought one strand was too thin. So for this hat, I'll be using 2 strands as one to make the hat thicker. I'll be using a dark blue, a medium blue and white coloured yarn in the striping pattern, but you can also use pinks and purples or even greens and yellows depending on what you want to do. It is completely up to you. I will also be using a 3.5mm hook or a E4 hook, a yarn needle and scissors. To begin, we need to make a magic ring. And just a reminder that I am using 2 strands of one colour, which will act as one strand throughout. For round 1, we need to chain 2 and double crochet 12 into the ring. So yarn over, insert your hook through the loops, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops to double crochet 1. Now work another 11 double crochets into the ring. That's the second double crochet. Third double crochet, fourth double crochet, that's the fifth double crochet, that's the sixth double crochet, seventh double crochet, that's the 8th double crochet, ninth double crochet, tenth double crochet, and the 11th double crochet. And that is the 12th double crochet and the last double crochet for round 1. Once you have 12 double crochets, pull the ring tight and slip stitch to the first double crochet that you worked in. So insert your hook into that stitch. Make a slip knot in the medium blue or your next chosen colour. Yarn over with the medium blue and pull through to slip stitch and to change colour. For round 2, chain 2, Tie the yarn together to secure the work, then cut off the dark blue yarn, but leave enough to be able to weave in your ends. Now that we have done that, we need to work 2 double crochets into each stitch. So double crochet 2 into the very first stitch directly under the chain of 2. That's 1 double crochet, and that's 2 double crochets. Double crochet 2 into the second stitch around, so that's 1 double crochet, and that's 2 double crochets. Double crochet 2 into this next stitch, so that's 1 double crochet, and that's 2 double crochets. Double crochet 2 into the following stitch, so that's 1 double crochet, and that's 2 double crochets. And just continue to double crochet 2 into each stitch around for a total of 24 double crochets. I will meet you near the end of the round. I have 1 stitch left for round 2, so I'm just working 2 double crochets into that last stitch. You will have a total of 24 double crochets for round 2. To finish round 2, we need to change colour to the white, so insert your hook into the first stitch, yarn over with the white, and pull through to slip stitch. Now chain 2 and secure your work the same way that you did for changing your colour for round 2. For round 3, double crochet 2 into the very first stitch. That's 1 double crochet, and that's the second double crochet. Double crochet 1 into the second stitch. Double crochet 2 into the next stitch. Double crochet 1 into the next stitch around. Double crochet 2 into the next stitch, and double crochet 1 into the following stitch. For the rest of the stitches, you just need to repeat this pattern, so double crochet 2 into the next stitch, which will increase your work, then double crochet 1 into the following stitch in the round. And I will meet you up near the end of round 3. I have 2 stitches left, so I'm doing 2 double crochet into this next stitch, now I've got to do 1 double crochet into the last stitch to finish the round. You should have a total of 36 double crochets for round 3. Now slip stitch with the dark blue to the first stitch to join the round and to change colour. For round 4, we need to chain 2 and don't forget to secure your work. Double crochet 2 into the first stitch, double crochet 1 into each of the next 2 stitches. So that's 1 double crochet into that stitch, and that's 1 double crochet into this next stitch. Double crochet 2 into the next stitch along. That's 1 double crochet and 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Now double crochet 1 into the next 2 stitches. That's 1 double crochet into that stitch, and that's the other double crochet into the next stitch. For the rest of the stitches, just repeat this pattern, so double crochet 2 into the first stitch, then double crochet 1 into each of the next 2 stitches around. I will meet you near the end of round 4. I have 2 stitches left, so I am just working 1 double crochet in each stitch. That's 1 double crochet, and that's the second double crochet. You will have a total of 48 double crochets for round 4. To finish round 4, slip stitch with the medium blue to the first stitch. Round 1 to 4 was creating the crown of the hat, which measures approximately 11 centimeters or 4 inches in diameter. Round 5 to 10 is creating the height of the hat, so we have finished increasing the work. So for round 5 to 10 we need to begin by chaining 2 and working 1 double crochet in each stitch, but remember to change colour to keep the stripe pattern. For round 5, double crochet 1 into the first stitch, double crochet 1 into the second stitch, double crochet 1 into the third stitch, double crochet 1 into the fourth stitch, and just keep working 1 double crochet in each stitch around for a total of 48 double crochets. I will meet you near the end of round 5. I have 2 stitches left, so I need to work 1 double crochet in each stitch. Now slip stitch with the white to the first stitch to finish the round and to change colour. So round 5 was the first round of making the height for the hat. For round 6, chain 2 and double crochet 1 into the very first stitch directly under the chain of 2. Now double crochet 1 into each stitch around for a total of 48 double crochets. So double crochet 1 into the next stitch, double crochet 1 into this stitch, double crochet 1 into the following stitch, and just keep working 1 double crochet into each stitch around. You will have a total of 48 double crochets for round 6. I will meet you near the end of round 6. I am just working my last few double crochets in each stitch. To finish the round, slip stitch with the dark blue to the first stitch. For round 7, chain 2 and double crochet 1 into each stitch around for a total of 48 double crochets. Just like what we have been doing for round 5 and 6. The only difference is that we needed to change colour. Just keep working 1 double crochet in each stitch and I will meet you near the end of round 7. I am just working my last few double crochets for round 7. Another way to change colour is to slip stitch with the same colour, then yarn over with the medium blue or your next colour, and then chain 2, and secure your work. So for round 8, chain 2 and double crochet 1 into each stitch. I will be going through this round fairly quickly as we are just repeating round 5, but we did change colour. So if you just keep working 1 double crochet into each stitch around and I will meet you near the end of round 8. you will have a total of 48 double crochets for round 8. I am just working 1 double crochet into each of my last few stitches. To finish round 8, slip stitch to the first stitch, and now chain 2 using the white to begin round 9. Round 9 to 10 we'll be using the white colour to finish off the hat. So double crochet 1 into each stitch around for round 9 for a total of 48 double crochets. And I will meet you up near the end of round 9. I am just finishing round 9 at the moment. To join the work, slip stitch with the white to the first stitch, so we haven't changed the colour. For round 10 we need to chain 2 and double crochet 1 into each stitch. For a newborn to 3-month-old, this will be your last round. Just keep working 1 double crochet in each stitch for a total of 48 stitches for round 10 in the white coloured yarn. To finish round 10, slip stitch to the first stitch, chain 1, pull up the loop, cut the yarn away from the ball, or balls depending on if you use 1 or 2, and pull the loop through. Now weave in all of your ends using a tapestry needle if you haven't done so already. There is no wrong or right way to weave in your ends. Once you have done that, your crocheted baby hat is ready to go. It is a super quick gift idea, or it is a great idea for your own baby boy or girl if you choose to use different colours, but that is completely up to you. This crocheted baby hat has a lovely stripe effect throughout, and the 10th row just gives it a nice border to finish it off. The hat height of the baby hat is about 13 centimeters, so it should fit a size newborn to 3-month-old. If you think this baby hat is too big, you can use a smaller hook or a different type of yarn, or you can easily just wait until the baby grows into it. I hope you enjoyed crocheting this striped baby boy hat, and if you did, please hit the like button and the subscribe button to stay up to date with our tutorials. Thank you for watching, have a lovely day, and I will see you next time.